there, this is Flor again from OFB Online Marketing. And by the way, I'm here to give you another benefits of having a digital business or an online business. So we are on the number 11. Number 11, once you join us, once you become an online business owner, you can be a business owner for life. It's your choice. You are the boss. So you can manage this as long as you're retired, or this can be a source of your retirement or your living if you want. And it can become as well a side hustle or like an extra income. For me, for those who doesn't know me, my name is Flor. I am a wife, a mother of 2 children. By profession, I am a registered nurse. I am working before as a full-time registered nurse here in Australia. And I am now managing my online business full-time. And I became an online business 3 years ago. Yes, I am already 3 years in this business. I am now a coach. I am now a mentor in this business. And the good thing with this business is there is a legacy that you can pass on to your loved ones or to your children. So just in case you want to know more or you are interested to learn more about what online business can give you or what you can benefit from it, just simply register to my website at www.ofbonlinemarketing.com. And we have a webinar starting at 11 a.m. It will be a few more minutes from now. And this webinar will give you all the information you need in starting your very own business. And I am here, my husband is here, we are here to help you get started until you become successful. So just register on my website and watch the webinar. Registration is free. Watching the webinar is free to everyone who are interested to learn more how you can easily start your own digital business. Hi, Joe Sodina. And yes, stay plugged in, watch the webinar, register now, and see you soon. Bye.